Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the 23rd lesson, State Government. India is comprised of 29 states and 7 union territories and has a federal form of government. This clearly shows that the government functions at two levels, the government at the center and the government in the states and union territories. The Constitution of India does not use the word federation for government structure of the country, but it uses Indian Union. Indian Constitution is federal in form and unitary in spirit. It clearly defines the structure, powers and functions of the state government. The legislature, executive and the judiciary are the three organs of the state government. So, in this lesson we are going to start about the state government. The coming lesson, the 24th lesson also is about the state government. Okay, function of the state government. So, we know that in India 29 states are there and 7 union territories. But we know that in the month of November or December, the Jammu Kashmir divided into 2 union territories. So, now it may be 28 state and 9 union territories. But in your book it is written 29 states and 7 union territories. And we know that 29 states and 7 union territories means it clearly shows the government function is at 2 levels. States are there, means it is in 2 levels, central government and state government. So, in our constitution the federation, this word is not written, not mentioned, but it is mentioned the Indian Union. So, we can understand Indian Constitution is federal in form and unitary in spirit. In form we can see it is a federal type of government, means it is divided into many states, and in form it is federal but in spirit it is unitary. हम लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, हम we are from the state of Maharashtra, same time we are Indians, in spirit may we are Indians. It clearly defines the structure, power and function of the state government. Means it is divided into many states. In state they are having government, state government, chief minister is there, ministers are there and state legislative assembly is there. So, the legislature, executive and the judiciary are the three organs of the state government. We learned this in last lesson. The legislature, executive and the judiciary are the three organ of the government. So, power sharing. So, Indian Constitution has divided the powers between the center and the states. There are three such lists. The government of India divided the powers between center and state. कुछ powers central government के अंडर है, कुछ इसमें decision लेना state government के अंडर है. So it is divided, three list करके इसको divide किया है, union list, state list and concurrent list. Union list means the central government can pass law on the subject in the union list. 98 आइटम्स में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को लॉ पास कर सकते हैं. ओनली सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कैन पास द लॉ. 98 आइटम्स आर देयर. It included defense, foreign affairs, railway, atomic energy, mineral resources, CBI, war and peace, highway, ports. These all coming under central list. We know that national highway, it is under central government, and railways under central government. And while state government can pass laws on the subject in the state list, 59 items में state government को law pass कर सकते हैं. State government can pass laws on the subject of 59 item. For example, public orders, public health, एग्रीकल्चर, वाटर, इंडस्ट्रीज, कॉमर्स, रोड, इरिगेशन, ये सभी में स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कैन पास द लॉस. इसको बोलते हैं स्टेट लिस्ट. देन वन मोर लिस्ट इज रिमेनिंग. Concurrent list is the list of 52 subjects given in the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. It includes the power to be considered by both the central and state government. So we learned that in union list the central government can pass the law, and in state list state government can pass the laws, and in concurrent list both the central government and state government can pass the laws. Okay, 52 subjects are given in the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. Then concurrent list include the subjects like criminal law, criminal procedure, bankruptcy, solvency, civil procedure, forest, population control, and education. So some examples of concurrent list are these: education, forest, population control, and solvency, this all. Among this example we can say about the education. Both the central government can pass the laws related to the education, like NCERT, which is coming under central government, and at the same time the state government, the state syllabus, Maharashtra state syllabus, it is coming under the Maharashtra state government can passes the laws related to the state syllabus. Education is coming under the concurrent list. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को भी लॉ पास करने का परमिशन है कंकरेंट लिस्ट में. सो थ्री लिस्ट्स आर देयर: यूनियन लिस्ट, स्टेट लिस्ट एंड concurrent list. Then next topic is the state legislature. So each state has a body which makes law. It is called legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha. So हर स्टेट में रहते हैं legislative assembly. The another name is Vidhan Sabha. So this legislative assembly also two type है. यूनिकैमरल legislature भी है, bicameral legislature भी है. Unicameral means there only one legislative house is there, only legislative assembly is there. उसको बोलते हैं यूनिकैमरल legislature. एक ही only विधानसभा, जो स्टेट में ओनली विधानसभा रहते हैं उसको यूनिकैमरल लेजिस्लेचर बोलते हैं. सो इन सम स्टेट्स दे आर हैविंग अपर हाउस एंड लोअर हाउस, मीन्स विधान सभा एंड विधान परिषद, और वी कैन से लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली एंड लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल. लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली हर स्टेट में रहते हैं, बट इन सम स्टेट्स हैविंग लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल ऑल्सो. सो स्टेट हैविंग टू लेजिस्लेटिव हाउसेस आर कॉल्ड bicameral. State like Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, they are having the bicameral legislature. Okay, once again bicameral means two houses are there, and unicameral only one house is there, only Vidhan Sabha is there. Then member of legislative assembly and member of legislative council are elected by the people of that state, means MLAs and MLCs are elected by the people of that particular states. Okay, thank you.